HCTI up 93.65%. This is the regular session of Thursday, the 24th of July. Intraday high $0.06. Let's see now. There's some charter that we've been able to scan through to see what the charter concerning the stock is on stock tweets. High engagement today, 6,889 watches and extremely high volume. Okay, sentiment data. Okay, let's see now. Reddit 2 days ago, penny stocks. One post titled "HCTI, the sleeping giant," praised its AI transformation efforts and industry potential. And one quote says it's showing high movement. I like the stock, and I think it has value in the AI transformation process. And then Wall Street Bets. It says that users noted surprise about the lack of buzzing around an available ticker. And the quote says, "I'm surprised there was no chat about HCTI okay, today. Other subreddits now overshadowed by trending small caps, but still occasionally mentioned. This was 2 days ago. So TikTok, plenty of buzz from finance influencers. HCTI stock update in 2025 has 16.9 million views over 3 weeks. Creators, example, Momentum.official, sharing trend insights, though many posts are broad hype with limited fundamentals. On Facebook, enthusiastic pump vibe groups posts like HCTI is hot, jumping now 2 days ago, urging immediate buys and citing trading strategies. Traders in groups mention past runs. I called this one last week and it's running again. Okay, contrasting voices. One of Nasdaq, the listing risk or weak fundamentals. Okay, so summary of insights. Platform stock tweets high speculative key theme extreme volume roller coaster price moves. Reddit cautiously bullish AI focus penny stock optimism. TikTok promotional trend driven hype influencer reach. Facebook pump heavy and wary mixed views, some hype, some warning. X low footprints minimal direct discussion. Overall vibe, a classic beam stock profile, massive retail interests, huge volume swings, and emotional charged commentary. Drivers pre-market surge 52% yesterday, linked to Nasdaq delisting win, along with speculative AI transformation narratives. Cautionary notes. Pump and dump risk social sentiment shows typical meme stock signals, extreme volatility, hype, and limited institutional endorsement. Fundamentals, weak market cap between 10 to 20 million, unprofitable, low float, Nasdaq compliance is a short-term catalyst only. Sentiment, not financial advice. Platforms reflect crowd mentality, not deep earnings or catalyst forecast. So, yeah, you have to take those cautions to heart as well. Um, Okay, we had a position in the stock. We've taken it out now. We've closed it. So given this spike, so we have as things stand right now, extrapolations for higher prices to keep printing, going all the way towards Tuesday, the 29th of July, and then after that we might see a pullback and then another spike again. So a cycle high is the trend. Is the trend that is being extrapolated. Okay, yeah. Extrapolation says ultimately by Wednesday, the 30th of September, we're looking at a possible price of 0.2091. You cannot rely on that. That's too far off too far off to have an extrapolation like that. The chance of that being true is not very high. Okay, so in terms of our Fibonacci projections, what do we have? We have 0.07, 0.0179. It's a downward projection, not into the upside. As of the 12th of June, the projection was 0.3715. 0.51, 0.5113, 0.5977. Yeah. So buying pressure, obviously, you can easily imagine is in effect right now. Yeah. But caution is warranted. We have a negative first derivative for the 10-day moving average. Outside that, everything is, well, even on the second derivative, it's positive, but it's not strong. So caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. On the on the 4 hour chart, let's see. Yeah, higher prices expect to remain in place up till Thursday, the close of today's trading session, and then in the post-market session is expected to decline and remain that way up till Wednesday, the 30th. And then by Thursday, the 31st, it's expected to spike again and probably retest today's sort of levels. But you really can't rely on that as well. Buying pressure very high now. Yeah. But here as well, caution is warranted. We have negative second derivative on the 10 period moving average and also negative on the 21 period moving average. So yeah, buying pressure is very strong right now. You can see that 134 trend mode is from 0.25 and this is 126. So it is very strong. But look, there's a negative second derivative indicating that it's coming, it's losing, it's decelerating, yeah. So you need to be very much aware of that and be very careful. What do we have in terms of projection? 0.026 is a downward projection, nothing to the upside, anything to the upside. Nothing higher than what we have seen already. We have we have 0.06. So we can go up and see whether we have seen. Okay, we have 0.0628 as of 9th of July. Yeah. And as a matter of fact, 0.0554 currently an upper projection. So it's it's worth having a look at the other hourly charts. Let's see what we have currently now. It's a downward projection 0.0256. Let's see. Um, okay, we're looking for previous upper projections. Nothing here on the 3 hour chart. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? We have 0.0156. It's a downward projection. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. 0.0474, just a slight downward projection there. Okay, let's jump all the way to the 10-minute chart. We're looking for anything. We have this zero point 0.6 it is an upper projection as well because it got a rejection there. Not just because of that. It's yeah. If you like, yes, it is because it got a rejection there. So it is an upper projection. It has to break through that resistance. Yeah, so it is an upper projection. So we're looking for projections above that. We've seen one already, but it wasn't recently. It was just a couple of days ago. So on the 10-minute chart, there isn't anything like that. Nothing to the upside. No upper projection to the upside. Okay, let's have a look at the 5-minute chart. We have 0.0535. It's an upper projection currently, but not higher than the one we've seen already. Not higher than 0.06. Okay, let's see what we have in the 3-minute chart. We have 0.0568 upper projection, 0.0375 downward projection. Let's see. Okay, let's look at the 2-minute chart. Okay, we have some here. We do have 0.0491 downward projection, and then 0.0655, 0.0736, 0.0787. Okay, so we do have upper projections there. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, we have some upper projections just slightly above that 0.06. So we have 0.0607, 0.0583, 0.0544. Those are upper projections currently, but some of them, yeah, currently are upper projections. Just a slight upper projection beyond 0.06. We have here 0.0607. So we have even more ambitious projections on the 2 minute chart. We have them here 0.0655, 0.0736, 0.0787. So there's no guarantee that those projections will be tested. Okay, just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.